Oh, High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be showing you how to build funnels almost instantly with AI. This is the future of funnel building, website design, and everything. So pay close attention. Before we jump in though, go down below and just smash the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. So we're going to go to sites, be brought right into funnels. Click new funnel. And then you have your options from blank, from AI, from templates. So we're going to click funnel AI and we're going to click continue. Okay, so as you see right here, you have 5 free funnel generations, so which is pretty cool. And then it's 99 cents after. I'm going to show you a way to get a bunch of AI and everything, but that's kind of the way the pricing works. But right now you can get 5 for free to test, so go test. So the first thing is the name of the business. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do Dave's Plumbing. Okay, that's it. We're going to select industry. We're going to do plumber, okay? And we do next. So you just put in the name of the business and then the industry. We just put in this basic stuff. I am looking for a funnel for my plumber. The business is to generate leads, get more appointments, showcase your services, sell products and services. We're going to do get more appointments, and the content should feel friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic, persuasive. Whatever you want. We're just going to do professional, and then all you do is click Generatus, and there you are. Look at that. Look at that. Built me a funnel almost instantly. I mean, how incredible is that? And it looks pretty good, okay? It's got some plumbing. It's good. Now, it's not perfect. So this is where I want to just go into 2 major points. So the first thing is you want to go in, you put your logo in, change some stuff around, do the basic stuff. And I have a video on funnels if you don't understand how to do that. So go in and just tweak said funnel just a tad so you make stuff look better. Here's the reason why this is so important. So right now, it's not as good as just picking a funnel template in the funnel store. So if we go right back here, okay, and we go to, we'll just log out of this real quick, and we go to new funnel and we click from templates. Right now, this is pretty much better because you have all these amazing options. It's a little bit harder, I guess, so to speak, but here's the thing. This is only going to keep getting better. Soon enough, you'll be able to put in your logo and some more text. So remember that little outline we went over? Plumber, what do you want the website to be? Friendly, whatever. That's going to keep getting better. Okay? And it's the kind of thing where for websites, for funnels, this will become the standard. And again, this is like, if you could understand how much time will be saved in the future by using this. Right now, it's still pretty good. It actually is pretty good if you need a fast funnel. But soon it'll be complete and it will be so powerful. And again, you might be thinking, well, what's the point of having a marketing or a SaaS agency if people can just do this themselves? People will still struggle with this. And they also won't know about high level. So this gives you all the freaking power to sell way more while doing way less work. Like VAs might be going away. Like AI is here to crush everyone. So that's how you do it. It is that simple. It is like that easy. It's a joke, and it will be getting better. So that's really what I want to hone in on. This is just going to keep getting better and better. So that's how you use it. It's that simple. You just switch around the basic stuff, anything you want. Different photos, and guys, I have a full video on funnels. I'll link at the end of this video so you can kind of understand it more. But that's how incredible it is. You can almost create it instantly. Like, how awesome is that? So now I just want to show you how to get AI free for the rest of the year. Then after that, still get a really good deal on all of Go High Level's AI. And it's called AI Employee or Season of AI. So right now, it's free until December 31st. So right now, at the making of this video, it's the 19th. You still have time. Link my AI Employee video at the end of this video. And please click it. Please check it out because this is going to be huge, okay? It's giving away all the AI features, okay? All of them. All of these, voice AI, conversational AI, funnel and website AI, content AI, reviews AI, and workflow AI, all for free until the end of the year. Then $97 a month for everything. If you use all of these, okay, without that, you'll charge like literally $500 a month. So super, super good deal. And again, this video is gonna go over all of it. So I highly recommend you check this out. And again, you can put in my code after you watch this video and you'll get it all for free until the end of the year. So you can at least try it out. How simple is that? How simple is that? So make sure you watch this video. It's going to be at the end of this video, and I think you're really, really going to like it. And again, it's one of those things where it's a game changer. And again, it's free till the end of the year. So you got about 12 days at the making of this video. So go check it out. Go watch this video right now after so you could really understand how AI works, because this is one of those things where it's here to stay. You can't avoid it. And why not use it for free? So, and even after the free thing, it's still a great deal. So I'm going to link that at the end of the video. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in high level, I got that 30-day free trial link down below. Go try that out. If you use it, you get access to me, Goody, Snapshot, private community, and the whole 9 yards. Other than that, though, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you crush it. And as always, Go High Level Wizard out.